Mammoth ancestors. Bison's ancestors, the steppe bison, roamed Eurasia before the Ice Age. Huge herds. Historical accounts describe North American bison herds so vast they darkened the prairie. Speed bursts. Despite their size, bison can run up to 35 miles per hour. Survival adaptation. Bison have a hump that allows them to plow through snow in winter. Genetic bottlenecks. The current bison population descended from fewer than 100 individuals that survived mass hunting. Near extinction. Bison numbers dropped from over 30 million to just a few hundred by the 1880s. Symbolic status. The American bison is the national mammal of the United States. Bird partnerships. Bison often host birds that eat parasites off their coats. Unique wallowing. Bison wallows, depressions they create, are crucial for various ecological processes. Impressive mass. Adult bison weigh up to 2,000 pounds, making them the heaviest land animal in North America. Island dwellers. Bison herds on Catalina Island are descendants of a few left behind after a movie shoot. Thermal regulation. Bison fur is so insulative, snow can cover them without melting. Distinctive beard. Male bison sport a thick beard that's unique among North American ungulates. Sound communication. Bison communicate using loud grunts and bellows that can be heard for miles. Mating strategies. During mating season, males engage in dramatic fights for female attention. Calving ease. Bison calves are born precocious and can run within hours of birth. Ferocious defense. Mothers fiercely protect calves, often charging threats including bears and wolves. Selective grazing. Bison prefer grasses, skillfully avoiding less nutritious plants. Migration patterns. Some bison populations undertake seasonal migrations in response to weather and food availability. Historical significance. Bison played a central role in the culture and survival of many Native American tribes. Conservation efforts. Intensive conservation efforts in the 20th century helped bison populations recover from near extinction. Disease resistance. Bison show remarkable resilience against diseases that often affect domestic cattle. Hybrid challenges. Bison can breed with domestic cattle, producing hybrids that pose conservation challenges. Social structure. Bison herds have complex social structures, often led by older, experienced females. Vision advantage. Bison have excellent peripheral vision, helping them spot predators. Ritual dust baths. Dust baths are essential for bison, helping them shed fur and deter insects. Protective circling. When threatened, bison herds form protective circles around the young and weak. Longevity. Bison can live up to 20 years in the wild and longer in captivity. Economic importance. Bison ranching has become a sustainable alternative to traditional cattle farming. Public lands. Millions of acres of public lands in the U.S. are dedicated to bison conservation. Natural engineers. Bison grazing habits help maintain healthy grassland ecosystems. Hoof impact. Their hoofs help aerate the soil, improving water infiltration. Diverse habitats. Bison inhabit plains, forests, and even mountainous regions. Water needs. Bison require less water daily compared to domestic cattle. Cultural revival. Bison restoration projects are integral to Native American cultural revitalization. Adaptability. Bison can survive in temperatures ranging from -40 to over 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Dietary impact. Their selective grazing helps control invasive plant species. Historic diet. Bison meat was a staple of American frontier cuisine. Fossil records. Bison fossils date back over 2 million years. Conservation icons. Bison are featured on 2 U.S. state flags. Reintroduction success. Reintroduced populations thrive in regions where bison were once extinct. Behavioral studies. Studies reveal that bison exhibit mourning behaviors, suggesting complex emotions. Insect avoidance. Their tail movements are specifically adapted to ward off flies.